Hey guys, I'm Joe, and today we're here to talk about the materials and process that you should follow in order to do a successful acrylic pour. Let's cover some of the things that you'll need. A lot of this you'll be able to find laying around your house. Other stuff you'll definitely need to go by a hobby store or art store to purchase. Alright, first things first, we're going to need a canvas. Today we're using a 10 by 10 canvas, and this is going to be what we pour our paint down onto. Along with our canvas, we're going to need some prep materials. One of those is going to be masking tape. The next thing we're going to need are some thumbtacks. We're going to need 4. So next we're going to need a pouring medium. Today we're using Grumbacher's Pour44. This pouring medium is one of the only pouring mediums on the market that's listed as AP non-toxic. Another cool thing about this pouring medium is it has a unique finish. It's a satin finish, which is right in between glossy and matte. So it's not going to reflect too much light, but it'll definitely have a nice sheen to it. Next we have our color, which as I mentioned is also a Grumbacher product. Today we're using Academy Acrylics by Grumbacher, and the colors that we're using are going to be Mars Black, Titanium White, Phthalo Green, and Prussian Blue. Next we're going to need our vessels to mix our pouring medium and paints inside of. We're going to be mixing with wooden popsicle sticks and a glass cup. We're going to be straining our paints once we've mixed them with the pouring medium. So today I'm just using simple plastic cups. Today we're using a metal small strainer. Doesn't need to be too fine, but fine enough to strain out any dried paint debris or unmixed paint particles. So moving on to the next step, which is going to be preparing our canvas and mixing our colors. So our first step is going to be taping the back side of the canvas and installing our push pins. And line it up so that it's flush to the outside edge. Push those push pins right into the wood. You want to push it all the way down so it's flush. That'll give you your best chance of your canvas being level at the end of this. So next we got to mix our colors with our pouring medium. Now it's important to make enough paint to generously cover your entire canvas. Now we'll add the Pour44 to the paint. So you're going to want to mix thoroughly but gently. You don't want to mix too much air into the mixture. That's going to cause bubbles that'll end up changing the quality of your pour in the end. Alright guys, so we have all of our materials, we have everything prepped up and ready to go. Our pouring process will be nice and easy now. Click over to our next video where we'll talk about the 2 different basic techniques of how to pour the paint onto the canvas. Until then, I'm Joe with Grumbacher, and we'll see you next time.